Every big journey starts with one small step, and for you, that step could begin here. You've studied, you've learned, you've prepared. Now it's time to show up, because opportunity doesn't find you sitting still. At Kigali JOBNET, you'll meet real employers, mentors, and partners who believe in your potential. Bring your CV, your curiosity, and your confidence. You'll discover careers, training, and programs that open real doors. This is your chance to turn potential into progress. So, Kigali Youth, are you ready? Join us at KCEV on November 27th. Your future starts here.